On this unit here, we're installing a Genright full hood louver setup for this customer. So they send you this sweet little cutout here, or this template. So we've actually cut out just the periphery. There's a little line that lines up with the back edge of the hood. Just kind of fold that over there, tape it in place, and I can kind of feel where the hood bumpers used to go and where the hood little handle used to go on here to line everything up. And then I tape this guy on here, and then I transfer punched a bunch of little holes on here that will actually drill out, and then hole saw and we'll cut between the holes, and then we'll go back in there with a little barrel sander and clean everything up, and then we'll start transferring all the little holes for rivets. So here we've already started to transfer some of those. Keep this kind of taped on there, that way I can flip it back to double check some things. It is a little rough, but it'll get cleaned up. There's a big aluminum louver that'll cover everything that's going on. We'll let a bunch of the heat out of the engine compartment. So we got the holes cut in the hood for the louver setup using the template, and then I transfer punch or center punch the two corner holes that'll locate this whole louver setup. But because the louver was stamped out of a piece of just flat aluminum, it doesn't quite fit the contour of the hood. I didn't trust the template to be 100% because things like to move around. So I drilled the two corner holes, and then I put clecos in there that'll take place of the rivets that we're going to be installing at the end, and then I can keep even pressure on it and then work my way around and move the clecos. That way this thing is going to lay as flat as possible. It's not going to be all bunched up, and my holes are going to be accurate. Now I am drilling the holes with the aluminum powder coated plate on there, so to keep it from marking it up, I actually machined a piece of Delrin as a stopper. So this is plastic, it's nice and soft, it goes to a point that actually slips over the bit. So as I drill a hole, that'll hit the top and then keep it from marking it up. So as you can see, some of these that I've already drilled, it's all nice and clean. It didn't destroy the powder or anything like that. This will keep even pressure on it, and then we'll finish this up. So here's the louver fully installed with all the rivets in it. And he had some billet little caps on here. It did not have a provision for the windshield washer squirter, which is actually a square hole. So we drilled a couple pilots and used a square file to finish that out and pop right back in there.